a wonderful ensemble in the historic core of Old Delhi. The dreamily beautiful historic Dharampura Haveli nestles amongst the narrow alleys of Chandni Chowk, giving you a feel of a vintage memory lane with residences and small shops on both sides. After 4 years of constant renovation work, the Dharampura Haveli has again come to life and takes you on a journey to showcase the exclusive culture of Old Delhi, making it a cozy and away from it all atmosphere. The architecture of the Haveli has been done by Kapil Agarwal, who has made sure that the Haveli bears a distinctive style of the late Mughal architecture historical buildings in India. The Haveli is beautifully decorated with intricate designs of woodwork on the rooftops, antique balconies and jharokas that open to the chirpy pigeons and busy roads of Chandni Chowk. Using a traditional style of construction to preserve the historical value and look, Dharampura Haveli has been restored by Rajya Sabha Minister Mr. Vijay Goyal along with Heritage India.
Well, we definitely wanted to kind of restore this old Haveli. At the same time, we wanted to retain the character, but in a modern envelope. So we wanted a Haveli which looks of 21st century, but the essence has to be of this 300-year-old Haveli.
A grand multifoliated arched gateway entrance leads you to the central courtyard. Facades of Haveli were magnificently carved in buff and red sandstone, adorned with floral patterns, sculptures and fluted modulations. Small kin-fired bricks called Lakhori bricks in the restaurant and intricate carvings on the main door give the Haveli a distinct Mughal architectural look. This building has now been redesigned with modern state-of-the-art furnishings and facilities while maintaining its ancestral look and feel. All the guest rooms are aligned along the central courtyard. Beautiful jharokas, chhatris, small decorative balconies, fluted columns, well-designed chabutras, traditional baithaks and marble floors are the features of the Mughal architectural style. Every room or space has its own theme which reflects various flavors of architecture and livelihood of Chandni Chowk. All architectural elements were replicated in the same scale and finish, but the materials were changed to make it better and cost efficient. These elements were all reconstructed with the help from very skilled labor handpicked from several of India. On the ground floor, the courtyard extends into the restaurant area through the wide glass panels which replace the existing doors under the arts.
Well, we definitely wanted to kind of restore this old Haveli. At the same time, we wanted to retain the character, but in a modern envelope. So we wanted a Haveli which looks of 21st century, but the essence has to be of this 300-year-old Haveli.
All the rooms open up to the courtyard with immense inflow of natural light, airflow and visual connectivity. A thoughtful revamp was given to the entire Haveli. All elements and architecture in the Haveli were designed to bring back its life in the best way possible. The Haveli holds the privilege of being the first of its kind to show the life of Old Delhi like never before. With such breathtaking panoramic views, the Haveli becomes one of the best traditional getaway in and around Delhi. Ashmika Singh, NDTV.